So, hello students, I am Arun Chaudhary. Welcome you to my YouTube channel AC Study Point. So, as mentioned here, today we will discuss our NCERT Math Class 8 rational number, and the topics what we will cover today is representation of rational number on the number line, okay, and rational number between any two rational number between any two rational number. Okay, so coming to the first topic, representation of rational number on the number line. So before I introduce you the representation of some rational number on the number line, let me introduce you the natural number, the whole number, and the integers. Okay, so you all know how to represent the natural number and whole number and your integers in the number line. Still have a brief idea of that. Okay, so let me tell you, suppose this is one line. Okay, so how to represent the natural number? Okay, we will start from the natural number, so that if the concept will be clear, then it will be very easy to represent the rational number on the number line. Is that clear? So what we will do here, suppose this is how we start the number, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as the number has no end, so we put here dot 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 like that. That means the natural number never end. Okay, so this is the representation of the natural number. That's all. Okay, so how to represent the whole number on the number line? If you'll add here 0, so this is nothing but the representation of the whole number on the number line. Okay, so after that, if you will introduce the integer, how to represent the integers on the number line, what we'll do, we'll just do here -1, -2, -3 like that. That means to represent the natural number on the number line, we have represented from here this one, the natural number. Okay, this is the natural number, representation of natural number on the number line. Okay, if you will include this one, that is the representation of the whole number on the number line. If we will take all this one, so that is the representation of integers on the number line. Is that clear? Okay, so now question arises, how to represent the rational number on the number line. Okay, so rational number is nothing but, what is the rational number? Rational number means any number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q both are integers, and this q must not be equal to 0. This is the basic definition of rational number. Okay, so that means the number which can be written in the form of p by q, and the p, q represent the integers, and q, the denominator, must not be 0. Okay, so this is the basic definition of rational number. So how to represent the rational number on the number line? So as I have told you, between any two number there are infinite number of rational numbers. Okay, between the any two number. So no doubt these natural numbers are rational number, these whole numbers are also rational number, these integers are also rational number. That means the rational number has very big family. Okay, so now what we will do, how to represent this one, rational number in the number line. So if the rational number is the whole your natural number, then you will represent like this. Okay, if the rational number is whole number, you will represent like this. If the rational number is integer, then you will represent in this way. Now come to the rational number which is in the form of p by q. Let us check. Okay, so now suppose one rational number is there. To represent rational number, suppose 2 by 5. Okay, so 2 by 5 is a rational number because here 2 is an integer, 5 is an integer and q is not equal to 0. So this is a rational number. So it is proof that is a rational number. So how to represent this rational number on the number line? So what we'll do, this 2 by 5 means any fraction is less than 1. Fraction means it is less than 1. Okay. So what we'll do here, suppose here it is 0. Okay. So this is suppose 1, this is suppose 2. In this way we will representing. So what we'll do here, they check the denominator. Here the denominator is 5. Denominator is 5. That means we have to divide 0 and 1. 0 to 1 means one part we have to divide 5 equal parts and we'll take the 2. So what we'll do here, so it is suppose 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, this one is 5 part. Means this is 5 by 5 actually, 5 by 5. So this one is 1 by 5, this is 2 by 5, this is 3 by 5, this is 4 by 5. Okay, so our aim is to show this 2 by 5 on the number line. So this one is the point. This is the point which implies that 2 by 5. Okay, this is the point which is nothing but 2 by 5. So in this way we can represent any rational number on the number line. So if here the question arises, if the rational number is in the negative form, then what we'll do? Okay, let us do that one also. Suppose one rational number, I am telling you, suppose it is minus 3 by 8. So it is one rational number. Why? Because this is one integer, this is one integer, and this it is the denominator is not equal to 0. So this is one rational number. It satisfies the quality criteria of rational number. Then how to represent this one on the number line? So very simple. What we'll do? You follow the same process. Okay, so here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 2. Okay, what we'll do, the main thing is, the first step is to check the denominator. How much it is? 8. So divide 0 to 1 means divide 1, okay, into 8 equal parts. 8 equal parts. So it is suppose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and this one is 8. Okay, so here minus 3 by 8. So what I have told you, suppose this one, suppose you're slightly mistaken. Suppose this is, we'll take here, it is negative, no? So this one is 0, this one is 1 and this one is minus 1. When we go right side of the numbers are positive. When we go left side of the numbers are negative. So as here it is the rational number given in the negative form, what we'll do? Same thing we'll do, but we'll take the left hand side from the 0. So from 0 to minus 1 it divide into 8 equal parts. So this will be become what? Minus 1 by 8, minus 1 by 8, this is minus 2 by 8, this is minus 3 by 8, okay, this one is minus 4 by 8. Okay, so our aim is to find out what? This is 1 by 8, this one is 2 by 8, this one is 3 by 8. So this one is the point on the number line which show minus 3 by 8 and this goes on. Okay, this is actually minus 8 by 8. Okay, that means it is minus 1. This one is minus 1. Is that clear? So in this way we can represent the rational number whether it is in the positive form or negative form. Coming to the second topic, rational number between any two rational number. It is very, very important. Rational number between any two rational number. Okay, so let us check it. Rational number between any two rational numbers. Suppose here it is 0, here it is 1, here it is 2. Okay, so if you apply the simple brain, then also you can say that between 0 to 1 many rational numbers are there. Suppose 0 to 1, in between what? Half is also there or not? This half. Okay, between 0 to 1 half is also there. So this is one rational number. Between 1 to 2 it is what? That is your 1 by half or 3 by 2. 3 by 2 is also there. Between 1 and 2 these are two whole numbers. But this is one rational number. Between 1 and 2 this 3 by 2 also lies. Okay, that means between any two rational number, infinite number of rational number lies. While doing the exercise problem, we'll do, the question will come like that: insert 5 rational number between this rational number and this rational number, or find 2 rational number between this rational number and this rational number. Okay, that means infinite number of rational number we can find between any two rational number. So how to find out that one? Very simple. Suppose here question will come like that. Suppose A is a rational number and B is a rational number. So in between these two, one rational number lies, that is A plus B by 2. A plus B by 2. Suppose I am doing this by one example. Suppose here 4 is there and here suppose 6 is there. 4 and 6 is there. So between 4 and 6, many rational numbers are there. That means 5 is also there here. Okay, so it is whole number, but let us check it out how it will do. That 4 plus 6 by 2, if you will compare with this one, then 4 plus 6, what is that one? 6 plus 4, that is 10. 10 by 2 is equal to 5. So this is nothing but 5. Is not it? Between any two rational number, if you want to find any one rational number, then what you will do? Just simply you add the two rational number and divide it by 2. Okay, so add the two rational number and divide it by 2. So you will get the rational number in between that one. If the question asks insert two rational number, then what we will do? Because after that what we will do? In this case, suppose between 2, this is 5. That means here 4, that is 5 and 6. What we will do? Between 4 and 6, this 5 lies. Okay, if it is asked between 4 and 5, insert 2 more rational number. Okay, that means total 3 rational number between these two. Then what we will do? Again same process, you add this one, 4 plus 5, you divide it by 2. So that is 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 is one rational number here. In between this is 9 by 2. Okay, so again between these two, 5 plus 6 by 2, so it is 11 by 2. So here 11 by 2 is also one rational number between this one. That means 5 and 6. That means between 4 and 6 there are 3 rational number we have got. That means 9 by 2, 5, 11 by 2. Okay, these are the rational number between these two rational number. So in this way you can find out as many as rational number between any two rational number. Again, if you will add these two and divide it by 2, then you will get the another rational number, is not it? So I mean to say that in simplest way, if two rational numbers are given, then what to do to find the rational number in between that one? You add the two numbers and divide it by 2. Simple. Okay, so here very simple way is also there to find the rational number. Let me tell you. Okay, this is the basic concept, is not it, student? So very simple way. One other way is also there to find out the rational number between any two rational number. Very simple way. Okay, so first one was the first method. This is the second method. Second method, suppose two rational numbers are there. Suppose 2 by 5 and here suppose 7 by 3. Okay, so this is the two rational number. So how to find out the rational number in between that two? Okay, so one simple way, first I have told you that you add these two number divided by 2. Okay, other way is there. So this, try to make this denominator same. Okay, so second method is try to make the denominator same. Suppose this is 5 and 3. Okay, so this denominator, how can you make same? You will just take the LCM of that one. So this 5 and 3 LCM is actually 15. So try to make the denominator 15, like that 2 by 5. So now this 2 by 5 becomes 2 into, and this is 5 into. So 5 into 3, how much? That is 3 2 ja 6, 6 by 15. So this 2 by 5 now becomes 6 by 15. And this 7 by 3, if you will say this 7 by 3, so 7 by 3 now become what? So this denominator you have to make 15. So what will multiply here? 3 into 5. and whatever you will multiply in the denominator, same thing you have to multiply in the numerator to make the fraction value same. So that is 7 5 ja 35 by it is 15. Okay, so here 6 by 15, this 2 by 5 now becomes 6 by 15, and this 7 by 3 now becomes 35 by 15. That means it is 6 by 15 and 35 by 15. So here how many rational number lies? 6 by 15, you can write here it is 7 by 15, that is then 8 by 15, 9 by 15, okay, up to 34 by 15. So see here student, here infinite number of rational number can lie between any two rational number, but according to your standard you will get maximum to find 5 or 6 rational number between any two rational number. But yeah, I mean to say that you can find thousands of rational number in between that one. So let me conclude first. Okay, so first process I have already told, between any two rational number how you will find out the rational number? You just add the two rational number between and divide it by 2. Okay, so this is the second method. What we will do, you will try to make the denominator same. So here we have taken 2 by 5 and 7 by 3. So to make the denominator same, you first take the LCM. I have taken LCM, that is 15. So back the denominator here 15. So now 2 by 5 have become 6 by 15. 6 by 15 has become 35 by 15. So in 6 and 35, between 6 and 35 you can insert the rational number. Okay, so it is more than 10 rational number I have find out here. So in this way you can find the rational number, as many as rational number between any two rational number, okay, in this two process. So thank you very much.